Liberia was about to be declared Ebola-free. A new case was confirmed last week. CCTV's Katerina Vittozzi reports on how officials are applying all they've learned to a post-Ebola environment.
Since I've been knowing myself, I've been hearing that saying, no germ in Africa. So for people to wash their hands, it was kind of difficult, prior to the coming of Ebola.
For years, health campaigners have promoted hand washing as a cheap, easy way to prevent the spread of disease. But those campaigns never really took hold until this Ebola outbreak.
So for the fact that the students will be taught that hand washing is good, whether Ebola leaves Liberia or stay in Liberia, keep washing their hands. Obviously, they will go home too and begin to tell their parents.
To build on that momentum, the Liberian government and development partners have launched a $60 million appeal to provide running water and improve sanitation in 2,800 schools. And it's not just schools benefiting from improving sanitary conditions. The global public health community came to Liberia to fight Ebola. With the epidemic now coming under control, the resources and funding it brought is now being channeled into long-term health infrastructure projects. This paediatric ward is in one of Monrovia's largest public hospitals. Prior to the Ebola outbreak, it saw 450 children every month. Conditions were often cramped and unsanitary. With Ebola cases dropping, international donors have funded ward renovations and supported new infection prevention and control practices.
Previously, we really didn't have that much in terms of infection control. So reduction in the number of patients per bed, bed spacing, hand washing stations are the major IPC changes, in addition to really painting the place, working on the tiles, and just making the place look a bit more pleasant.
The Liberian Ministry of Health says the country will need 10 years of sustained investment to rebuild the public health system. Those working the wards are cautiously optimistic that with the right support, Liberia can build back stronger.
We hope that these measures will stick, and it's not only because of the Ebola response.
The Ebola response brought international resources and money into Liberia. It's hoped a new generation will see some of the long-term dividends. Katerina Vittozzi, CCTV, Monrovia.